Max on the track.
Before I step to the mic and structure my words, releasing the speed in my flow, I want you to send the memo and I'ma get more like Biggie, we kicking the door. I rap beat to the U to the L-A, W-A-Y-O, meaning you should probably get laid. Trouble them out with your hoe. Rock with me properly, just get your eyes on my property. Stop it with offending me or spend the night in the mortuary. Lyrical sorcery, shopping for metaphors, bars at the grocery store. What? Miracle offering, portrait socially uttering things to explore. What? Eke, an African game and it's based on excuse me. The rappers accuse me of killing the game cause they couldn't use me. I'm with the music, the culture, my aim is to nature improvement. I'm with the movement and part of my aim is on what should we do then.
Ege, tak to atambira ege, noba kwa sege. Ege, tak to atambira ege, noba kwa sege. Ege, tak to atambira ege.